How to change language on Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change language on Spotify. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Spotify desktop application or simply log in via the browser using their official website. So after you're logged in either in the website or in the application, navigate to top right corner. There is your profile icon. You have to click on it. From this menu box, you have to click on settings again. So once you're on the settings, there you will have an option as a language. So in order to change language, you have to click on this drop down. So from all the available language right here, you can select the language according to your preferences, and then once done, your settings will be saved. So that's the way to change languages on Spotify, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.